Peace FM 104.3 Good me take.
Ebacho medasi bebre champagne brem.
Yo me Chama a branch of yam.
Can I say me 5 minutes?
Sama kwa say
Twaso.
Die na wia no. Wo mo a dam fom na ye kama won na do ti esimu dia ahwia. Just by the agrom na odie. Odan cham so honorable ochochi na wakrante na beba. Next week me ba menyimro. Na chairman. Yewura kanofurata abeka esem. Ye akwaya sem ye nyina ye gitum. Me kai pa say me papa tiase na elibu besin kwanchi kwan acho over 30 years ni ena wo mo hyase say wo mo beye kwan no chairman nkankan enso yitoi se wo fa ehonom fi elibu ebe fa sem krom na mboen so nom wo ma pe eda de kopie enchi nom a ahwa ye ka say ye ma billions na tu kwan ne fa sa kwan no so a chairman wonko enye ehonko enti eye anamon banamon no yetu no ekwan ben ne betimi atu ekwan betimi atu eye baabi ebeye sika enti offer kura na enye edi nkomo na eka about property rates na sefo na eka about contractors eye kwan ne papa wo mo beye no sa etu a yitua amino ye nipa na ya yete yi ebi aye de ye source of income no efa baby enti abani timi gi ni sika directly ana direct obi nso wo a ukwa na kwesa na wo ba begigi nko no ono emu won kwanchen but ye bi se ho se emu no ono ne kwanchen no da kru biara ene na wotwe bia bosun bia fe no onyamfa so sen na sen eno no so otua baby ote no sin futuro ho opese ebegu kota na futuro no ama emu no a ono ane so. And now let me take Ghana Revenue Authority for. One see taxable population of Ghana no. As at now no, they are looking at about 6 million now the total number of persons in Ghana. But it move 1.5 and now it's here. Not just about 4.5 of that number numpo no. I may be cry me here it's on the low side no. One more entry. Enti yebo abantri so me ka ba me kan pipi abanko e fititi nyinara because elibo enche kwa me ka ho asemi 70s 80s no mu enom started so mu ye na yentimi ye yo other roads are yentimi ye enti yebo abantri so about sa ensemo no na yen so as Ghanaians no Ghana for no yeso ya famu dia yo se ye no ene dia hen e bi say woni pefe say adwuma wuye na adi na ye ka se afie won ha won mo chairman mo sifie a mudi bia ma rent sika mo gi no afi wo amanfo ho no enya grow
me po bia rent me
dey wo wani kwa wo sani fa so
be ma me rentals kana me tia ba
wa just kasi da so
na wo fa cantonments wo fa isle go na hwe adan egu ho a wo mo dey bia ya apartments e dey rent a me nyim ni se kaprempo ko aban ho na no nanchen no se onu nso tua won wa ye di djuma na hye on sem so o mo hwe so o mo so tua no wo mo sa na mo ben na o mo tu efa ho Ghana Revenue Authority for the local authorities na e so mo hwe sa enema no ye besre wonsum said the Nabdabia Bonum no Yaninipa. Me papa ne kai or senior dako near Bumo Simonisu or soon put nature no bonadecha no bon. Woman to us bear one we also was one more day. To the of Babna one day with me. To see Yadaku ne Bumo Simonisu. And to book a crack, changing a crack, yensum na Yamide say one more releases can and no minimum for share baby. Still on him he says can be a release and then other can go. Contractors me my example say Uber class for us meaning contractors be me san na bia wo ma back to site wo mo start e to wo mo adwuma so enti yam yenya aresimu won sema ye mpanifo ebeka nipa no da de na no sisi na tia wo out nche no wo se ntisa me yam kwan no mesime de e ma ne na ye wo tim chen wunim kwan so say de kwan pampan ne siti no e akoko I say me madam ba ko kwam ku so Germany sisi na wo mo yam rant ya na wunim kwam chairman wunim nkokopo then ya ka so bi ba akokopo a oh ewie no bi akwa ayi no a foam quite man, cook and a few no boys, no much about Kukunavi, a friend who couple, but then I'm free as into your swati pauka, and credit in our school to be unquay, no mukoyana or moody, a wolf forty. I brew you with fear. That was a Kwame Namunum and I am a Tiano more for your mamma, and Professor Koyakui, a bad day, one with your manner, one got to a Guinea. And now one movie inquiring on 7 of the Agunin 2 moon of the command. Mammy did phone as a Kwame bra. And Quam media, some Akukon Corner, I didn't see that. Jerica was just you cannot say, wouldn't mean any Musicani Dinara, Naunya, dear, also the council when you're home. I can't dear no. And see, Mestre. Penfonica, Yenya Rishim Wumu, Yamwa, na Jumedia no, and Cosina Quani ya, and Milko, I mean, free body, Nam Quanus, Nami Chumco fast for Teco and Chiso, Namit Rum could do a libua. A deep pass.
Maybe I'll call watch as Go entry the first class.
When I mean separate them for starting a meals be I know that in the country. One I catch oh, what how the Frank? Oh, please, I'm here for women. I know. I look at him.
The most important thing is
a formula adanse prasuka. The last visit of President Kufuor to Japan, and $84 million by, and now free her, and I'm obey a client. Inti ya no Zania di to so no man no ekwana nimu inti nyese da bia no ye betwini twintwan na wejina akwa road politics na wo mo tete aso do bia so be demonstration
I think 5 minutes yapon
chairman but we the other room
o ma 10
I think Mr. Ma 5 you
chairman we kra me chance free
minimum.
Okay, Yedi can say yes, finance minister, Ebaha. I think such engagements, Ebwa, Tinium Biase, because Onona or share in Sikasamuso, it's important, say, at every 10 no, or no Ankasemuno, or Benya Wadaje, Ama Wabama Yinine Edinkomo, because I saw people were sending text messages to ask about Numa Echitron margin and what have you. Chairman. Krumaheka a fiscal balance. In the entire Debia, we complain about negative fiscal balance and a dear friend fiscal deficit no, and a budget deficit no. Say per se ye bra noasia, and I per se ye tiswa.
That's a law now.
There are two things I say to me. You either cut down your expenditure and more than to increase your revenue so that your expenditures now at least there is some corresponding income and revenue to match that increase in expenditure no ntinyo menu we na mprempi no opese o te o fiscal deficit no so a enu na oye I mean enu na oye but oba ye man mu no you have a problem with revenue collection. I think for the past many years your revenue targets your revenue agencies have failed to meet OMO targets, and by extension, the country fails to meet its revenue targets. Every year, the budget we have revenue target. The outturn becomes far lower than the projected revenue. And idea a hard because as a developing country, our needs are many. Until say a person your tongue pound, and let's say so that government can match its expenditure with revenue. And yes, idea all the time. I say Bob Bisian to be able to do the kinds of expenditures I say until a hard dream to note say revenue has fallen and we are not meeting the targets. Yes, those who manage the economy also or more but Numa who don't ema Sadi Eba, and I have made this point. Said there are so many leakages in the revenue sector, amount for F4G documents. Chairman, to the extent that people even bidding for government contracts present forged tax clearance certificates. Because nobody has the luxury of time to go through it to even make one call to ensure say clearance certificate are yedi buy and no a free GRE for her. People go and cook all, and I've seen, look, amount for they cook certificates all the time. Obia eso tuo as a precondition to qualify for tender B. To present a fake tax clearance certificate. When you know a sika because anka okotua the right tax to get the proper certificate now. Me sure say anka Ghana sa revenue beba aban eyimu. But people forge documents. The second issue also has to do with tax bases. Ghana we have so many tax bases. And me patch nyoma yet me taxi. And let me some point SMB. Rent tax, Chairman. Accra, there are millions of homes and millions of landlords. Omuji rent they review their rents upward, their rates upward every year. And some even charging dollars. Now so obia new or rent tax. Abra I didn't know say you must pay rent tax. When you charge rent, you must pay tax. Even capital gains tax, obi to me to dying or kotonwa na we nyam for so on to your capital gains tax that. Meanwhile, it's a base that ought to be enforced. A tax be able to me akoji. Chairman, on the average, let's even assume say landlord be and I'm ignoring the number of tenants in a particular house. I'm just saying say averagely say landlord be one cry 800 cedis a year empo. Say we can say every month a year empo. Now you have a minimum of about 2 million homes and our landlords. Chairman, 100 cedis by 2 million, that's 200 million Ghana cedis a year. You can imagine what that's going to be. But in a zero. When the landlord been the rent tax. Sebi. Until you call yourself a real estate developer. Ukoto dying from Obi, just as an ordinary citizen. You don't call yourself a real estate developer. Now, Kotona and Yamfazwa, Ukotia tax. Capital gains tax. Obi entria. Wesunina Ayesika. And Kayetimi Ejia, Kayadia Ebebua. And generally, our tax effort in this country is very low. And sometimes I sympathize with young finance ministers and your Malaysian economy because nobody wants to pay tax. Now, so sorry, we make more demands, and you see,
and pay little for it.
And pay that precisely. That's how you couldn't have put it any better, Chairman. Now, my suggestion is that we should have a special tax department in the Attorney General's office. Chairman said tax evasion is a criminal offense.
Yeah, of course.
Minti say the Obiako Jina me have not heard. Ebi Sisiba Mintida say Obia evade tax. For which reason I did not Kojina Semdibia and the person is jailed. We find tax evasion as some petty crime. Look, people feel say Adia Eya Bonipa ya Chrono armed robbery ni Nipakum and Ungwan Eya Bonio. But in the United States of America, Sika 4 have gone to jail because they have evaded taxes. Because it's as serious as even Medampo. Because as abandoning Yesika to feed people, abandoning Yesika to ensure say you have security. Now it is not because Amroba no Beku no, but it's because the state failed to provide the needed security. And it is as serious as even Amroba Nankasa. And Chairman, because let me just quickly talk about expenditure.
What time is it?
Hey, Chairman, just 1 minute. Maybe.
I give you exactly 60 seconds.
I feel also, say, about way in as much as look now, about IMF talking about fiscal tightening, and a tight budget, and finance ministry like no, because I don't hear that. And I was thinking, say, at least in your first 2 years, the truth is that they inherited a very troubled economy. And to stabilize the economy, you had to go contractionary. But after a while, stability nearby. I was expecting, say, at least we needed to increase our investments, which would mean, say, capital expenditure, a cost through. But, Chairman, in the last fiscal year, as a reform, and once your capital expenditure is down, industry, for example, when you take the real sector and you take industry, construction as a subsector are bred in the last 2 years. And in contractors. And construction was contributing to the growth of the industry in a very significant manner. And in as much as we are trying to avoid the recurrence of this political business cycle, but I think to spare growth, we need to at least increase our capital expenditure a little bit.
But as you take
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.